Good morning, everybody. My name is Maria of Maria Mind Body Health, and I was asked to take you through a day in the life. And so now it's early in the morning. Even on a Saturday like today, I get up usually at about 5:30 to work and write because it's the only quiet time we have in our house. We homeschool our boys, and my husband works at home, so it's always busy here. So I like to get up early and do it then, so don't mind my ragamuffin look. But when the boys wake up, it looks like this, and it's super loud. Come on in, kiddos, I hear you out there. Hi, guys.
Hi.
You want to say hi?
Hi.
What are you having for breakfast?
Okay.
A milkshake? A strawberry milkshake? Yeah, strawberries and cream milkshake.
Milkshake.
Yeah, all right. So now that they're waking up, I usually go out for a run. So we'll take you on a run right about now. All right, so I'm now on my morning jog. I stopped running because I am in the woods, as you can see. I live in the woods. I prefer to be outside. I never run on a treadmill. I actually hated running when I was a kid. I actually tried to break my legs so I didn't have to run the dreaded mile run when I was in 8th grade. But now I love it. All right, so it's after my run, I like to do some weights. It doesn't have to be a lot of weights, but I like to do them outside. It saves me a ton of time and money not going to the gym anymore, and I get to be outside in the sun, which I love. It doesn't feel like a workout when I can enjoy nature. And you're thinking, wow, how much caffeine has that girl had? I had none. I'm drinking ice water. I don't do caffeine for so many reasons. But yeah, so I got a bar from Target with some weights here, and then I have my hand weights for biceps, triceps, shoulders. I got my ab roller here. So yeah, we're gonna do weights. That's how I roll. After I work out, I like to come out here to my outdoor shower. Again, I never like to be inside, so I made sure to have an outdoor shower. I just love being out here in the woods. It's also important that I do cold therapy. So my shower is ice cold, very cold. If you haven't looked into cold therapy, you should. It helps with so many ailments. I'm a big fan of it. You'll actually notice thyroid functions better. Your whole body, actually, your thermostat turns up because it needs to work a little bit harder. I'm also very adamant about not using any chemicals, so I use Beauty County shampoo, and I also have my coconut oil right here that I put in a jar. That is the lotion I'll use afterwards. Hey everybody, we're back in the kitchen for a little bit. I always have to spend some time experimenting with recipes because I do have a couple cookbooks out, 5 with Victory Belt right at the moment. 3 more will be done by the end of the year. Crazy, I know. But we always spend time in the kitchen experimenting with new foods and recipes. In this quick and easy book, I'm going to show you something that we've done and experimented with. So for about 5 years, we've been doing this with our Parmesan rinds or Asiago. We really like sharp cheeses for our homemade pizzas. And you know how there's always that hard part that you kind of toss? Nobody really wants to eat that. Well, I have a trick for you. No, honey, just wait. We are going to cut this into really small pieces, okay? And you can use a whole rind, and you can even freeze these and then make a bunch of them at one time. But I'm going to cut these into really small pieces, and we need a piece of parchment. Make sure to put parchment on your plate, otherwise the cheese is going to stick, okay? And then you're going to set these all over. Make sure you spread them out nice. And then you're gonna put this plate in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes. And you know what happens? This tiny puff blows up into basically a Cheeto or an easy crouton. It just tastes great on Caesar salads. Or it's just, it reminds me of Trader Joe's now does a cheese crisp, and Moon Cheese does a cheese crisp. You're basically just making your own at home with the leftover part of your rind. So that's something in quick and easy. And take note, at the end of this, I'm going to be doing a giveaway that you could win this. If you're dairy free, I'd be honored to send you my cleanse book, which is totally dairy free, because I think that dairy free is important. But anyway, check you later. We're gonna go to the beach now. Hey everybody, so that was my Saturday, pretty much. Now I'm back in the office. It's late afternoon, early evening, and I have 2 phone consults that I'm doing. Again, it's Saturday night, but that's just how I roll. I enjoy it a lot. But I do really, from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you for all of your support. About 10 years ago, we lost everything. We lost our house, our cars, our adoption was on hold because we lost our jobs. It was the hard time, 2007, everybody went through. And someone said, you need to put your recipes together, and I bet people would buy your cookbook to help fund your adoption. And you did. I can't thank you enough. It's because of you that I had the great day that I just showed you. I got to play with my kids, fish with my kids, we rode bike, we cooked together. You all made that possible. And I'm forever grateful for you.